Do you know there?
Sir, Kim?
By
What
the
is
way, it's
Hussein?
recording.
What is Hussein saying? You cropped and that and stuff.
In the science group, just
Science group.
he deleted it, but I have the screenshot.
He is here. Hussein is literally there.
Yeah, in both the pictures.
Yeah. What is wrong? Wait. Someone is typing in the.
So now question was, what was chain of market?
Sir, I told how many times, sir?
Yeah, but because my network on, so between
How did I get unmuted?
you told correctly. So chain of market is a series of market which are joined like a link, because link have link from the industries, it goes to the wholesaler, from wholesaler to the trader, and trader then sell it to the retailers, and from retailer it comes to you. So that's why this link is created. That's why it is known as the chain of markets. Very good, Mr. Rayan Aslam. What do you understand by mall? What do you understand by mall? What do you understand by mall? Anyone?
So what do you understand by?
Enclosed
Sir,
shopping
a mall, large
Yes.
enclosed
This
shopping
is
area.
usually a large building with many floors that has shops, restaurants,
Restaurants and at times even a cinema theater.
These shops
These
most
shops most
often
often sell
branded
branded products.
Sir, can I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, you are asking from two lessons.
What two lessons? What is mall?
What is
Lesson.
this?
Sir, then you are asking from the last lesson, and we
From
finished
the lesson we taught today, market, completed today, market.
a shirt in the market.
It is
No,
an
sir.
A shirt and a
We completed now a shirt in the market.
No, we completed market, Adil.
So you right now
And
you
page
right
number-
now read market and equality.
an enclave.
Yeah,
enclosed-
market and equality. Check page number 101.
101.
An
I
enclosed
have
shopping
it
space is
in,
known as mall. Short answer, but you can add it will include
Sir,
buildings
there is
and many,
another.
many floors that are shop building. You can
Sir,
add it.
Adil is
There
in
is
page
another
number
topic in
111.
111.
Adil is in 111.
Simple answer is no, an enclosed shopping space is known as mall. But you can add in that this is usually a large building with many floors and have restaurant and all this. You can write in big. But small answer is enclosed shopping space is known as mall. What are weekly markets?
These markets are not daily markets, but are to be found at a particular place on one or maybe 2 days of the week.
Yeah.
These markets most often sell everything that a household needs ranging from vegetables to clothes to utensils.
Very good. So a weekly market is those markets which are taking place at a particular place 1 day or a 2 day in a week. Mostly 1 day in a week, but maybe sometimes 2 days in a week. At some places. Now another question, who will give the answer of this? In what ways? In what ways occur different from the shop? How is hawker different from a shop owner? Hawker means those who are selling the goods on the pavement or on a thela or something. And shop owner. What is that? What way shopkeeper is different from a hawker? Anyone?
Sir, hawker has a permanent shop. Where a shop? Sir, yes, sir. Sir, hawkers do not have permanent shop, but shop owners have a permanent shop, sir.
Very good. Another difference.
Sir, am I right?
Yeah, tell. You're right.
Hello.
Another difference. 2 or 3 are there.
Hello, sir. Sir. No. Sir, I think, sir, I only know 2, sir. What is this? Sir, hawk owners sell vegetables and fruits and get less incomes than shop owners.
Sir,
Very
and
good.
they get their money from daily wages.
Very good. Now there are three main different. One is that told by Farhanullah already that hawkers don't have the permanent shop. Either they are selling on the pavement or on the thelas or thelis. But the shopkeeper has a permanent shop. Secondly, the goods found in shop owner in shop, you will find the branded goods or all types of goods there. In the hawker, you can find only the vegetable, fruits or some cheapest things. Thirdly, the shopkeeper has to pay the price is more in shops in comparison to the hawker, because the shopkeeper has to give the labor and rent and electricity and everything he has to pay for that. So that's why the price in the shop is more in comparison to the hawker, because hawker don't have to pay for rent or electricity or don't have to keep labor. He keeps his goods in the house. So that's why they sell at a cheap rate. That is the difference between hawker and the shop owner. Now there is a question for you. Who will answer? I want to see. All persons have equal rights to visit any shop in a marketplace.
Sir, let Ryan answer.
You agree with that? All persons have equal right to visit any shop in the marketplace.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you think this is true of shops? Now, second one, do you think this is true of the shops with expensive product? If a shop is there with
Yes, sir.
expensive products, will the common man will be allowed to go there?
Sir, some people, sir, depends on the person who you meet, sir. Some people will be cruel, some people will be nice to others.
But the question is, do you think this is true of shops with expensive products? If a common man goes there, will the shop with expensive product allow him to go inside?
So it depends on the person who meets. So
Yeah.
some people can be cruel, they cannot allow. Some people can be really nice.
Very good. Mostly, we have seen that in expensive shops or product, first of all, the people who are not very rich, who have very less money, will not go to the expensive shop himself or herself, because he knows that their goods will be very costly and he cannot afford it, so he will not go. First of all, himself he will not go.
Sir, but if the shopkeeper gives something like free, then people will go.
Yeah, people will go. But suppose,
Because everyone likes free things.
yeah, but suppose a person who don't have the money, but still he wants to see those expensive goods and be happy to see those goods, only to touch that and see. He will go to the market. He will try to go inside, but sometimes, as you said,
So they will.
sometimes if a person will be good outside, guard will be there. If he will be very good person, he can allow him to go inside. Or he will coolly say to him, why you
So
want
they
to
will
go
allow,
inside?
but they will not allow to touch.
Yeah. Or they will say that, or the guard will say to him politely that why you want to go inside? It is very costly. You cannot buy. You cannot afford. Why you are going inside? You will feel bad that you cannot buy that good because you don't have the money. So either the guard will politely refuse to allow him inside. He said, why you want to go? Because you cannot afford that. It is very costly. Secondly, if he is cruel, he can throw him out. He can say, don't go inside. I will not allow you to go inside because you don't deserve to be inside. It happens sometimes.
They will throw him on the road.
Throw him out. Or
Sir, I have a video of that, sir. 1 minute.
What of a cruel person?
Yeah, like they both will be in same shop. I want to show one video, sir. Just a minute, I'll find that video, sir. So not now, like after 2 minutes also.
we are gone, Pranjula. Come soon.
Yes, sir. Just, sir, almost done.
Which video, Farhan?
So because they have their own shops and they don't have workers and they don't need to pay the rents. That's why.
Yeah. Because these shop owners have things that they sell
Sir, I
at
got the video. Can I share
Because this
screen?
weekly markets are cheap because they are not.
So can I enable share
Stop.
screen?
I will. Wait.
So can you let me screen share?
Wait. One participant can share at a time. Oh, wait, I'm making you the host so you can do it. Now you can do.
Okay, sir.
Now you do. Make you the host. Now you do.
So 1 minute, sir. I did something wrong. Let me do that. Go there, share screen, optimize.
Next. I saw this.
Your picture is not coming.
I use other things.
Your picture is not coming here.
Okay.
I saw this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I cannot see your
What?
picture.
Sir said something.
I cannot see your screen.
Don't know.
I did not hear him.
This is all I have.
Yes, because I'm back.
Yes, sir. Sir, everyone can see, sir.
But I cannot see.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Sir, I'll make you the host back.
Then
I'll
you
make you the.
can't share.
I can.
You can take the name out.
Oh, could you hurry up, please? I don't have all day, buddy.
I'm really sorry.
Daddy, is something wrong?
Sweetie, everything's okay.
Total now 1286. You still don't have enough.
He's been really sad.
Please.
You want to leave it or not?
You can take it. Sorry, sweetie.
Total now 604. Next.
Finally, some people people are just the worst.
I know, right?